Alright, so for this video, I'm going to be solving the equation 4 to the power of x squared is equal to 64. So whenever we're solving equations like these ones, where we're dealing with exponents and different bases, what we want to do is we want to change these so that they're both the same base. And that makes it 10 times easier to solve. So what I'm going to do is rewrite 64 because 64 is the same thing as 8 squared. And now, how are 4 and 8 related? Well, what's the common base between them? 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, and 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3. So now we have the same bases. Now, how are we going to solve this from here? Well, what I'm going to do is use a property that states that a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So now 2 times x squared is 2x squared, and 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 2 to the power of 2x squared is equal to 2 to the power of 6. Now from here I'm going to use another property that states that a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n. So if this is true, this means that m is equal to n. So because this is true, this means that 2x squared is equal to 6. So now if I divide both sides by 2, I get x squared is equal to 3, and x is equal to positive or negative square root of 3. So these are my two solutions to this equation.